What if the next great gold rush isn't on Earth, but in the silent, frozen wilderness of outer space? Imagine a single asteroid, just a few hundred meters wide, holding more platinum, gold, and nickel than all the mines on our planet combined. But here's the twist. Whoever controls these cosmic resources could control the future of civilization itself. Before we dive deeper, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Deep Space Explained for more journeys into the unknown universe. Hidden among millions of space rocks, some asteroids are not just stone and dust. They are treasure chests of the cosmos. Take the asteroid 16 Psyche, orbiting between Mars and Jupiter. NASA estimates its metal content could be worth more than $10 quintillion, enough to make every human on Earth a billionaire. But how do we even begin to reach it? And what happens if we actually bring that metal home? The answers could change everything we know about wealth and power. In the shadows of global competition, a new kind of race has already begun. Not for territory, but for asteroids. Private companies like Planetary Resources and Deep Space Industries, once backed by billionaires, aimed to build robotic miners to capture near-Earth asteroids. Even NASA and SpaceX have joined the chase, developing technologies to explore and extract materials beyond Earth's gravity well. But here's where it gets complicated. Who owns space? Can a company really claim a celestial body as private property? The Outer Space Treaty of 1967 states that no nation can own the moon or any celestial body. But corporations? That's a gray zone. Countries like the United States and Luxembourg have passed laws allowing private companies to keep what they mine, creating a quiet, legal loophole in space law. So now, the stage is set for something humanity has never faced before. A cosmic economy without borders, but with massive consequences. Who will emerge as the first empire of the stars? Nations or corporations? Mining an asteroid isn't like digging into rock. It's a dance with microgravity, a place where a single push could send a billion-dollar payload drifting into eternity. Engineers are designing autonomous drones, solar-powered forges, and even 3D printers that can build in zero gravity. The idea is simple but revolutionary. Use the asteroid's own materials to construct refueling stations, habitats, and factories in space, avoiding the costly return to Earth. But a darker question lingers in the void. Could this technology, built for exploration, become the spark of a new kind of war, one fought not on Earth, but among the stars? Before that future becomes reality, test missions are already paving the way. NASA's OSIRIS-REx has successfully collected samples from asteroid Bennu, while Japan's Hayabusa missions have brought back fragments of Ryugu and Itokawa. Each mission is a rehearsal, a glimpse of the coming era when humanity won't just study asteroids, but harvest them. If asteroid mining succeeds, the world economy could shift overnight. Rare metals could become as common as sand, collapsing global markets and reshaping industries. Nations that depend on mining could fall, while spacefaring corporations could rise as new superpowers. Some economists call it the economic singularity, a point where technological progress moves faster than society can adapt. And if history has taught us anything, every gold rush comes with chaos. But wealth isn't the only thing at stake. Mining asteroids could also help save Earth's environment. By extracting metals in space instead of drilling into our planet, we could reduce pollution, deforestation, and toxic waste. Still, some scientists warn, moving massive materials from space could disrupt orbits, or worse, send debris raining down on Earth. Progress always comes with risk, especially when it's cosmic in scale. Beyond the profits and politics, asteroid mining raises something deeper. What does it mean for humanity to dig into the cosmos? Are we explorers or extractors? Pioneers of a new age, or repeating the same mistakes, only this time on a galactic scale? Perhaps asteroid mining isn't just about resources. Perhaps it's about survival, a rehearsal for when Earth's resources finally run dry. And in that case, maybe we have no choice but to look to the stars. If we can master the art of using what space offers, we may build the foundations of a self-sustaining civilization. Colonies on Mars, fuel stations on moons, and cities orbiting asteroids. It's no longer science fiction. It's the logical next step of human evolution, expanding beyond one fragile world into the cosmic sea. NASA's Psyche mission, set to explore one of the richest asteroids in our solar system, is only the beginning. What starts as science could soon become industry, and industry, once unleashed in the vacuum of space, may never stop. We stand at the dawn of a new era, where the next trillionaires may be born not from Earth, but from the stars. Asteroid mining is no longer science fiction. It's the next frontier of human ambition. But as we reach out into the dark, we must ask, will this be humanity's greatest triumph, or its most dangerous temptation? The answers are still drifting out there, somewhere between starlight and shadow. The universe is vast, and our next frontier might be just one asteroid away. Subscribe to Deep Space Explained and join us as we keep exploring the mysteries of the cosmos, one discovery at a time.